Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. In previous lecture, we looked at a population at a particular instant of time that enable us to examine their distribution and abundance. In nature, however, populations are not static, where they are affected by the ongoing processes. In fact, the number of individuals in a population or the population size keep increasing and decreasing over time from various factors such as birth, death, and migration. In this topic, we are going to discuss the processes underlying the expansion or decline or even the maintenance of the populations. It is one of the most important areas of ecology since it holds the key to understand and hopefully preventing the decline and extinction of endangered species, the control of nuisance pest species, and the maintenance of ecologically or economically important plant or animal populations. Dispersal is an important aspect of population dynamics, where dispersal can increase or decrease the local population density. In plant, seed dispersal could occur with the help of wind or water, or may be transported by various animals groups such as mammals, birds, or insects. In animal, dispersal by young individuals is very common for various reasons, such as expand their distribution to avoid inbreeding and also to reduce competition with other individuals. As a consequence of movements, population ecologists try to understand the local population density must consider dispersal into local population or migration and dispersal out of local population or emigration. Despite its importance, dispersal is one of the least aspects of population dynamics studied. It is clearly a difficult undertaking, but dispersal is worth studying because the health and survival of many local populations may depend upon understanding this aspect of population dynamics. Other than dispersal, we have to consider the survival pattern of particular population, which vary greatly from a species to another and also depending on environmental circumstances. Pattern of survival could be investigated from life tables that list both survival and death in population. Life tables can be used to draw survivorship curves which generally fall into one of these categories. The type 1 survivorship, in which there is low mortality among the young, but high mortality among older individuals. The type 2 survivorship, in which there is a fairly constant probability of mortality throughout life. The type 3 survivorship, in which there is high mortality among the young, and also low mortality among the older individuals. Other than the life table, population ecologists can tell a great deal about population by studying its age distribution. The age distribution indicates the period of successful reproduction, survival of high and low survival, periods of high and low survival, and whether the older individuals in a population are replacing themselves or if the population is declining. Therefore, age distribution of population reflects its history of survival, reproduction, and the potential for future growth. I hope you get the idea what are the factors need to be considered when you study the population dynamics and why you need to study this topic. Now, next, you are going to learn about another important aspect of population ecology, which is population growth. So student, I hope you enjoy the lecture. Thank you.